that? Banana.
Hey!
And these were flat.
Get out of there, Hewitt! Can't go up there.
The belt.
Oh, they're just being dicks now.
Oh,
yeah, they are.
I mean, no, it's good.
Ready?
Attaboy, Hewitt.
Go! This isn't anybody's? 5 meters spacing. No, they wanted to play UConn. See, unplugged the internet.
Oh, darn it, the internet's out.
No, I went and I plugged it back in. I kept playing. Like, fuck that.
This isn't going to end well for Hewitt.
No.
I guarantee you they're not going to check that corner. Guarantee.
Such great face. Uh-oh. Damn.
Call it out! I think Evan did. Call out that movement! He's hit!
That's all I'm going to do.
It's not about
Wait,
Thanksgiving holiday.
Thanksgiving is your favorite holiday? If you want, I can kind of give it away for you. I mean, I didn't eat it yet, but my brother did.
I kind of know that.
Yeah, it was my brother and my friend was a dick.
Hewitt's down, clear it, let's go!
Who knows where Tommy is?
Yeah, he died. I was like, are you kidding me?
Oh, you ruined it.
Exactly. It's so short though. Like I'm already halfway through and I've only played like 2 hours on it.
Yeah, no, we can't think.
Oh, it's funny. I've got 17 hours in Skyrim.
Hey, you know what? Skyrim's dead. No one cares. Taking pictures again?
Whoa.
Nope, recording this time.
Luke, do you have it?
You should go out there with it. Not gonna take the village from up there, let's go!
I've never really played like Fallout or anything like that.
I love Fallout 3, New Vegas, Oblivion, Morrowind. I don't have the time to play it right now, that's why I haven't bought it yet.
My buddy quit work.
Quattro, I'm pretty sure she's asking you a question.
What's up, Ashley?
That's Lolita.
Oh, you know, if you knew where that came from, you wouldn't be saying.
Ashley's walking away. That's
Who I was
Lolita.
asking.
Lolita was asking you a question.
And then it was they're videotaping.
Yes.
Sit down. So
Oh, what the consensus? How the hell tell me to know where he was? Hey, you better move down there and support her. Let's go. Let's go, man.
At one point we were in the lobby, the 6 months, one random kid, everyone's like,
It's all you, Tom.
oh, go get some friends.
So legitimate over here capturing. I know, I heard. I heard you say hit like 7 times. 17 trillion times.
It's all you, Tom.
It's detrimental when you don't have a red rag.
Huh? You get caught live. No, they countered your flank.
Where is he?
You have some really good movement. You should do that for him.
I did. I can't where it's like, oh, get up in a line.
No, that's what we're trying to get
Yeah,
away
we need an actual bomb to search and destroy.
This isn't with a timer.
Yeah, not an actual.
That was perfect. You guys are doing a great job. You're in there longer than the veterans.
We're doing search and destroy.
because we stopped so fast.
Tomei, if you lose, you're off the team.
I was slick there, Tom.
Let me get Gaddafi.
And you get Gaddafi.
I cannot see.
I can't see shit.
Do that. We'll shoot.
Oh, he's in there, he's in there. He loves that octagon.
The first one was close to Airsoft.
Hey, how you doing? Where's Wesley?
Go, Tom!
That's from, I literally was here and his gun's here. Coming across.
Yeah, he fucked you up.
I didn't see it.
I know, you ran like a little...
I remember watching
It's
Tom's
2 on.
gun just hang over where you were. Did you see it when you were down here? No. He like, he took
Wait,
it
oh,
off
with
right
Tom
there.
King, yeah, no, I knew he came up on me. So I was laying down, I was like, fuck, I grabbed my pistol, waited for him to go in and got him.
That might have been a good thing I didn't say anything, then you would have known I was there.
Yeah, Tomei has no fucking clue.
I don't think I have any idea.
I'm scared. Tom.
He got blocked.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Woo!